Now to the sentencing trial of the Parkland shooter. Another day of tough testimony as law enforcement and doctors took the stand. At times, they described disturbing and gruesome injuries that led to the deaths of 17 students and staff at Stoneman Douglas High School. CBS 4's Joan Murray joins us live inside the courtroom in Fort Lauderdale with the latest. Joan.
Well, it's certainly been a very busy week for the jury. In fact, a witness is testifying as we speak. We've heard now this week from nearly 50 prosecution witnesses. Earlier, it was all about survivors in the classroom trying to stay alive. Today, it was about the aftermath. United in grief, two Parkland dads listening to difficult testimony on the fifth day of the Parkland shooter's sentencing trial.
It shows me checking for vital signs on Jamie Gutenberg and the other officers covering the doors.
Jamie was Fred Gutenberg's only daughter, killed in a third-floor stairwell. It's where Coral Springs detective David Alphen said he found the 14-year-old and what the mass shooter left on that February afternoon in 2018.
In front of us, there is a vest and a rifle on top of it, and on the right is Jamie Gutenberg.
Alphen said he helped drag shooting victim Anthony Borges to safety. On Wednesday, Borges showed the jury scars from being shot 5 times.
That is me talking to Christopher Hickson.
We learned from Coral Springs Police Captain Nikolas Cruz that despite being shot and shot again, athletic director Chris Hickson, who rushed in to confront the shooter, lived long enough to provide information.
Cause of this is multiple gunshot wounds.
The medical examiner who performed autopsies on several students described devastating wounds. Martin Duque was shot 8 times.
Do you have an opinion as to how long Martin Duque Aquilano would have lived before he would have died of these wounds?
Couple of minutes.
Now today, as on other days, defense attorneys they objected to prosecutors having witnesses point out identifying the shooter in court. The judge has made no ruling, but they say that since prosecutors indicated 2 years ago that they would not be doing that, they want it on record in case down the line that there is an appeal. In Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.